Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, fog lights, rollover protection system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.